Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find your Binance wallet address. Okay, I'm going to be showing you your deposit address and also your withdrawal address. Okay, so first up, either wallet or under your assets right here, it doesn't matter. Just tap on it. You can go ahead over to one of your crypto. For example, I have here Solana. Okay, I'm going to tap on it. Now, could be add or send. Okay, if you want the deposit address, tap on add. And if you want the withdrawal address, we'll tap on send. Okay, so for example, I have send right here. I'm going to tap on it. Now go ahead and select, make sure that you select on-chain withdrawal or on-chain deposit. Okay, so just tap on it. And once that's done, if you want to send your crypto to a different crypto wallet, well, you can just go ahead and find the withdrawal address from there, copy and paste it right here. Select the same network if it's not automatically selected. Okay, once done, enter the withdrawal amount, tap on withdraw, and the cryptocurrency will be transferred to that other wallet. So I'm going to show you right here under add on-chain again. As I've said earlier, tap on it. Now select the network, for example, Sol. And then here's your wallet address or deposit address. That's basically it. And then just make sure that the network matches the network where you would like to send or transfer the specific crypto. Okay, if it's Sol in here, well, Sol in the other crypto wallet. That's basically it. When in doubt, well, try smaller amount first. Okay, and that is how you find your Binance wallet address. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.